Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add passkey on Roblox. If you want to add a passkey on Roblox, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Roblox application on your device and get started. After you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the More menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now, click on the Account Info button. Inside Account Info, look for Add Passkey option under Login Methods. Tap on it and then click on Continue. You will then receive a one-time code sent to you via your registered email. Go ahead and type it down in the text box. Open up your email inbox and your one-time code will be sent to you. Type it down and then you will be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap on the Continue button, scan your Face ID or your Touch ID, and there you have successfully created a passkey for your Roblox account. After you do that, the passkey will add an extra layer of security for your account so that it is protected. That is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gaming for Beginners for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.